Imagine strolling through a quaint farmhouse garden, where every step on a winding path feels like a journey back in time. Paths that aren't just routes, but stories etched in stone, gravel, and grass. Today, we are diving into the art of farmhouse pathway design, a blend of functionality and rustic charm that transforms mere walkways into enchanting experiences. From weathered bricks whispering tales of the past to smooth stones reflecting the simplicity of rural life, each pathway material tells its own story. Imagine a path bordered with vibrant blooms, where every step is a sensory delight. Picture yourself walking through an archway of climbing roses, their scent filling the air as you approach your front door. Designing a farmhouse pathway is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a journey. Let's delve into how you can blend natural elements, clever layouts, and personal touches to craft paths that not only lead somewhere but take you everywhere. Whether you are enhancing an existing pathway or starting from scratch, the possibilities are endless. Let's transform your farmhouse pathway into timeless treasures that invite warmth, character, and a touch of magic to a countryside retreat. Now it's your turn to create paths that inspire, connect, and transform your farmhouse into a haven of rustic charm and endless wonder. Happy designing!